Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at Acer 311 Chromebook. This is 11.6 inches and it's also a touchscreen. Now let's open the box and see what comes inside. First, let's look at the charger. So we do have a two-piece charger. We have the three-prong outlet. And here we have the USB-C. And let's see how many watts the charger is. So here it says it's a 45-watt charger, which will give us a fast charging on this Chromebook. Let's pull the Chromebook out. And before we do that, there's a couple paperwork here. So here we get the setup guide. We also get some FC warranty, and we also get another, I believe this is another limited warranty or setup guide, and this one is in the plastic. Let's put that back. All right, now let's check out the Chromebook itself. Now the top itself looks really nice. It has this textured look, but the surface is actually very smooth and it's made of plastic. Now we look at the bottom, also made of plastic. We do see a couple rubber stoppers, and then we see two vents. I believe that's for speakers. So we have two speaker grills. Now let's check out the left side. We have the power button. We have USB-C, which is used for charging, USB Type-A, SD card expansion slot, and the headphone jack. And on this side, we have the volume rockers, another USB Type-A, and another USB-C, which is also used for charging. And then we have Kensington lock slot. All right, now let's open it and see how the keyboard and trackpad look. So right off the bat, I can see the trackpad is very spacious. It's about 4 fingers wide, which is really nice. Now the keyboard itself has the same button as all the other Chromebooks, and seems very clicky. Seems like it would be really nice to type on. We can also see the hinges here. And here we can also see the hinges, since this is 2-in-1, and you can also convert it. So we can use the Chromebook in this mode, or we can put it in a tent mode and use it on our table. Alright, so I had it powered on. I went through the setup. I was using the keyboard, which was actually really nice to use. The touchpad itself needs a little bit of adjusting of the settings. Now let's talk about what's inside this Chromebook. Now Acer Spin 311 has 3 different CPUs. You might buy one with the MediaTek, AMD, or Intel. Depending on which CPU you buy, you're pretty much going to be getting the same Chromebook with pretty much same performance. Now it also comes with the 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. Now the screen itself is IPS 11.6 inch, and as I mentioned, it is a touchscreen. Now with the screen size of 11.6 inches, 720p resolution is perfectly acceptable and it looks really nice. Let me get that a little bit closer so you guys can see the actual screen, which looks really nice, and it has very good angles. So that's another good thing. All right, let me play something so you guys can hear how the speakers sound. So overall, the speakers sound really good. It does have dual speakers located on the bottom of the Chromebook. And the last thing I wanted to show you is how easy it is to use the touchscreen. Now once you flip the screen on the other side, you can use this as a tablet. It's going to be a little bit heavier and thicker than your normal Android tablet, but if you want to use it that way, that's definitely an option. Thank you guys for watching.